Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, coming up here, man.
We got that glue. Open up for me, my brother.
Don't do anything without sharing. Man, presentation.
Man, just wallet type. I mean, man, thank you, my brother. Love you, bro.
Know that.
You was wearing these?
Yeah. Oosh, cootie. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Man, this is real love right here. Young Thug just celebrated his birthday, and the way Metro Boomin and a few others came through with multiple pieces of jewelry, it shows the kind of respect and brotherhood that exists in this circle. These aren't just gifts, they're statements. We're talking high-end custom pieces that probably took weeks to design. And you can tell they weren't just about showing off, they were personal, thoughtful, and symbolic. Thug has had a wild journey, and regardless of where he's at right now, moments like this remind you how much impact he's had on the culture and how deep his relationships go in the industry. Hip-hop isn't just about music, it's about loyalty, connection, and giving back to the people who matter.